If you want to live large, if elevated living excites you, if the ocean and the lake needs to be your everyday canvas, this is the space that you need to call home. Your Sky Mansion in Colombo's prestigious address. An address that does not only offer connectivity, does not offer inclusion, but it offers a lifestyle that is next to none. You're talking about a space that brings everything together. I'm talking about connectivity. I'm talking about the port city. I'm talking about the Colombo Metropolitan, the gorgeous, energetic ocean and the turquoise lake. Everything in one single frame. This is your Sky Mansion, your Duplex Apartment at the Altea. If you want to make this home, get in touch with our team.